Hello guys, welcome back. Again in this exercise, we are going to compare set and list. Okay, so see this first one. So in the first instruction, so it is pretty simple. Just they have given a function for pulling the unique items from a given list. Okay, so this function they have already provided to us. So when we do that, it will give you the unique names from this names list. Okay, so they have total like 368 unique names, and that is what we have printed out here. And in the next one, in the next instruction, so we have one more. We use set method directly. So if you give set a list, right, so what it will do is it will create only unique items from that list. Okay, so even this has given us the same number of elements over here. Okay, and moving on to the next point here. Okay, so here we need to uh, compute the time using time it for the both the methods, one for set directly and one for finding unique items. So that I have already executed here, so you can see this here. Okay, so the time it and function call I have done, and it has taken something like 1.65, I mean milliseconds. Okay, so whereas this guy 10.4 nanoseconds, I guess. Okay, I but yeah, anyhow, overall this is the fastest one, the sets one. So this is the correct answer, and submit it. And then moving on to the last one, in the last exercise, so they are, I mean instruction, they asked us to use the efficient way. Okay, efficient way to gathering the unique items. So what is the efficient way? Obviously using sets is a efficient way. Okay, whenever you want to have to identify the unique elements from a list, right, so we can blindly use sets over here. So let's do that. So sets of what is this guy, so primary types we have to do it. Okay, and similarly here also sets of this we have to do. So that's all for this exercise, guys. Okay, I hope you understand the concepts of sets. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.